Alright everyone, we're going to do an unboxing video today. I've been waiting for these three. I bought these as a set and was waiting for them to come in. I was expecting them yesterday, but they showed up today, so you'll get to see with me what's in here. Right. So we got a nice little box. That was really nice, wasn't it? So we're going to leave those two for right now and get this one open. I'll put that off to the side. 2005 Zippo Slim. Got some spark. And it's pretty clean inside. Opens and closes nicely. So that's one. I didn't buy this pack for, well, this lot for that lighter, and I didn't buy it because of this lighter. This is another Zippo 2008. Pretty clean. Hasn't been used a whole lot. Tell there's not a lot of, I mean, there's scratching on here obviously, but it's not excessive. Yeah, they didn't use this much. The flint's jammed up in there pretty well. So, I'll have to address that. And I didn't buy it for that one. I bought it for this one that should be in this wrapping. This is the 2003 Zippo solid copper, and this is a lighter I've wanted for a little while. I wanted to pick one up. It's got a nice patina on it. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to leave it that way or if I'm going to polish it up. I really don't know yet. But I've wanted to pick this lighter up for a little while, and I finally picked it up. I got a good price. So that's that.